the coronavirus disease 2019 pandemic has become a huge threat to global health, which raise urgent demand of developing efficient therapeutics strategies. The aim of the present study is to decide the chemical and pharmacological overview and approaches of coronaviruses. Next, coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by novel virus. It belongs to coronavirus family O, and due to its chronic nature and structure, in Latin it is called as corona. The disease causes respiratory illness with symptoms such as cough, fever, and in more severe cases, difficulty in breathing. Coronavirus disease spread primarily through contact with an infected person with the cough and sneeze. It also spread when it come in contact with another person or which is corona positive or touches to the surface or object that has the virus on it. And then if the person touch to the eye, nose and mouth, it becomes infected. This coronavirus initially in two types, MERS and SARS. MERS is nothing but Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus, and it is transmitted to the civet cat to humans, and SARS-CoV it is transmitted from camel to human. This long form is severe acute respiratory syndrome. Both are syndromes. And a novel virus which is boom in the world in 2019, it is COVID-19, and it is transmitted from bat to human. In this case, till today, this coronavirus is identified initially by the Chinese authorities in January 7th, and since its name is SARS-CoV-2, but there is no specific treatment for the coronavirus. But symptom can be treated as per it is generated to the patients. Then why this particular link is missing due to this pangolin between the bats and humans? The immune system of pangolin lack to such genes which signal the body about the entry of virus, and hence it seems to be immune to it. Next, the name of coronavirus, COVID-19, it is due to this virus is identified in January, identified in 2019, and though it is called as SARS-CoV, CO stand for corona, V stand for virus, and D stand for disease, and year is 2019, which was initially identified, and hence it is named after this COVID-19. This novel virus has relatively fast transmission and its speed, which make COVID-19 is highly contagious disease. The epidemic has spread sweeping or through over 200 countries, and this epidemic sweeping in the region of 200 countries, it spread all continent except Antarctica, and it is really toll to the health of people, and hence World Scientists on COVID-19 they meet at the World Health Organization Geneva headquarters on 11th and 12th February 20 to access the current level of knowledge about this new virus and agree on the critical analysis on it, and to get the answer urgently so that it can build on the response to recent outbreak of this virus, and along with the Ebola virus, SARS-CoV and MERS, and it is necessary to do the blueprint which can facilitate and coordinate and accelerate the information and response to the COVID-19 which include the unpredictable program or vaccines, which gives the vaccination research into the potential pharmacological and pharmaceutical treatment, and also strengthen the channel to the information sharing between all countries. This discussion led to an agreement with the two main goals. First one is to accelerate the innovative research. That research can help contain the spread of the epidemic and facilitate care of those affected. And its second goal was to support the research priorities and contribute to the global research platform in hope of learnings actually from the current situation of pandemic response to the better preparation for the next unforeseen epidemic. Next, in the morphology of COVID coronavirus, it seems a round spherical particle enveloped with a number of components. It is a pleomorphic in nature, having the 150 to 160 nanometer inside. Actually, if you distinguish with other virus, it is heavy, and hence it may not be in air, and it is associated with the single standard RNA, unsegmented nucleoprotein. It is having the capsid matrix and S protein. This protein having the important virus like nucleoprotein capsid, membrane glycoprotein. It has the spike glycoproteins, and it may be have different different actions, and they encode an additional glycoprotein that has the acetylesterase and hemagglutinated properties. It means this nucleoprotein, glycoprotein, and spike glycoprotein play important role into the functioning, though it is a non-living virus. Next, what is the function of this particular part, the spike protein, membrane protein, and these proteins? Spike protein actually makes the channel to host cell by binding to the receptor. Membrane protein gives shape to the viral envelope, and nucleocapsid gives or binds to the RNA genome to make up the actual nucleocapsid. Envelope protein, it forms when it is forming say membrane, outer cover of the membrane. It gives the protection to the inside material, which is codes or decode the regulation or expression, etc. That is called as ribonucleic acid, and that ribonucleic acid, it is actually having the 4 types: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, then ribosomal RNA, and tmRNA, which is a transfer messenger RNA. And function of this is nothing but the coding, decoding, regulation and expression of the gene using through the nitrogenous bases like ACGC. So what is the specific synthesis and what is the role of this RNA? I want to explain here so that we will get easily idea about the action of drugs or pharmacological activities, and why it is expressing or transferring from one to the another person. The synthesis of RNA is usually catalyzed by the enzyme RNA polymerase using DNA templates. So DNA is one of the transport. So this process from RNA to DNA through RNA polymerase, it is called as transcriptase, and this initiation of this particular reaction will take place. It binds to the promoter sequence of RNA. It means upstream direction of the genes, and the earlier known it is a regulator and gene expression. So when the protein known as a repressor activator, it regulates with a specific binding site within the enhancer and enhancer region, and near the gene to be near gene to be regulated. So mRNA is carries the information about the protein sequences, and it carry and up to the protein synthesis. It means RNA carries information from DNA to ribosome. And tRNA is 18 nucleotide transfer the specific amino acid to grow the polypeptide chain, or you can say the peptide linkage CONH bonding at the ribosomal site and synthesis during the translation process. So when it is translate, it means when it is an attachment of the amino acid and anticodon for a codon recognition that bind the specific sequence on a messenger RNA through the hydrogen bonding. So when it is from hydrogen bonding, it means formation of CONH bond. At that time, it is necessary to transfer message from DNA to the protein synthesis through the ribosome with the help of enzymes. So then ribosomal RNA, it is a catalytic compound, and it contains 4 different RNA molecules, 18S, 5.8S, 2S and 5S, etc., etc., and that synthesis through the nucleus. In cytoplasm, ribosomal RNA and protein combine and form the nucleoprotein. It is also called as ribosomes. And this it carries protein synthesis, and several ribosomes may attach to the single RNA at any time. I mean to say, the nearly all RNA found in typical eukaryotic cell as RNA. Okay, and in transfer messenger RNA, it found in bacteria and plastids, and it is encoded by the mRNA, and there is a lack of stop of, I can say, there is no formation of codon or codon degradation takes place during this starving of the ribosomes. Okay, and hence it is necessary to cleave the binding of binding site of the corona to the RNA active site in a vivo position. Next one, there are many viruses, millions of viruses are present in the environment, but some just and having the different shapes and may have the characteristics, and some are having the similar characteristics. Next one, please. The common symptoms of this coronavirus is fever, loss of appetite, breathing, shortness of breathing, coughing, etc. But in severe cases, it is having the high fever, decreasing WBCs, coughing in blood, then bluish face, and sometimes kidney failure may happen, which is told on the death to the death. So there is a percentage vary in the both the symptoms, common symptoms, as well in severe symptoms. Let us see. Next one, please. When this corona, when we say it is a pandemic, this one infectious disease, it is also called like SARS-CoV-2, and so it is a China is a pioneer of it, but symptoms are same in all around the world, and due to this epidemic condition, and this condition has been sweeping through over 200 countries, and the pandemic spread to all continents except Antarctica. Next one. How we are going to differentiate depend upon the symptoms in between the coronavirus, coronavirus disease, flu, and allergy. In coronavirus, fever through the fever, cough, shortness of breath, difficulty in breathing, and symptoms appear. You can say the incubation period from 2 days to 14 days. While in case of flu, congestion of nose, sore throat, and coughing, sneezing is there, but fatigue and weakness may have that to the patient. And this coronavirus and flu can be it can be differentiated with allergy, though it is having the sneezing, but incubation period is very less. At once it is contact with the allergic dust, it can immediately attack and give the symptoms. Next one, why government is saying government is giving many number of times you have to wash your hand within for 20 minutes, use soap, then keep distance, social distance, avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth, practice respiratory hygiene like pranayam and clean everything. Then if you have fever or cough, difficulty in breathing, seek the medical help, go immediately, stay informed and follow the advice given by the government. Protect yourself from the other persons who are visited recently to the COVID, and or you can say who is a carrier for the COVID, because this particular soap is actually lipid, we can say. It is oily lipid molecule. This soap made up of the oily lipid molecule, and it helps that particular virus infected cell to cleave their body. So when this soap molecule it is having the hybrid structure with the micelle and tail. So this micelle and tail, it is having the hydrophobic head. We can say that micelle head is hydrophobic and tail is which avoid the water bodies, and due to this hydrophobic nature, it just swim into the water body, and it cleaves in such a way that when it's come in contact with the water with the soap molecule, this lipid and this lipid membrane is cleaved itself, and there is a removal of material from the virus, and it means the dirt on the same principle, dirt is removed from the clothes or removed from the body, and hence this micelles, this water along with the soap keep away the micelles from our body, and hence it is very much needed to wash your hands timely and frequently. Next one. What is the anatomy of virus? We already know now very well the structure of virus, and several features of viruses are same in all the nearby all the viruses, but they express their own characteristic symptomatically. And as per the symptoms, the doctors are treating the patients with the drug, and that drug should be targeted specific site and break it the bond and stop entering the other foreign molecule inside the body. And this enclosed form of protein and these spikes are get destroyed, and hence this lipid membrane cannot be go inside the body, and it cannot and attach with the RNA molecule. And there is, you know very well, the genetic characteristics of genetic material is copy and paste multiple times, and it will stop the multiple type copy paste material, that is transcription and translation of the gene, and it may be duplicate. And number of times it happen if suppose the molecule is inside, or that particular corona site is inside, and it get attacked with your mRNA, and it carries from the DNA to ribosomes, and it gives toll on the next generation. So when virus can effectively inactivated by the lipid when I said lipid solvents, you can use the ether, ethanol, chlorine. You can say the basic site of component which pH is having more than 7.2 or 7.8. So these all the disinfectant gives or you can say they are very close to break the bond between the hydrogen bonding and receptor molecule of the drug components. In protein degradation, optimum temperature, optimum pH, and they are having gives the very nice idea about whether the compounds are highly active at that particular temperature and pH. It means there is a amino acid which are more actively give the activation energy at that pH. So the below that particular pH or below that temperature or above that temperature or nearby that temperature, if the virus is treated, it may be in the form of you can say inactivated form. And this particular product has if you want to know what is the exact characteristics of this virus, then it can be treated accordingly. Next one. When you are using any drug to treat with the patient, it is symptomatically treatment is going on. When the protein come in contact with drug, protein, I mean to say this virus envelope material come in contact with the drug, it get first disturbed or rupture. The material come outside, and there is outside that material is make contact with the RNA, and translation process is going on, and then genetic coding and mutation etc. It will go on and on. But when this transcriptome, if you induced form of material is there, and that transcriptome and this drug get induced, and these viruses get in the form of network along with networking with the drug, and it get inhibited in some cases within say 4 days, some cases 7 days, or maybe require, in severe cases maybe require more than 16 or 17 days. And hence networking prediction of drug combination is must, and which is really question mark in front of the for the scientists as well to the doctors. Next one, natural compounds exhibited specific material or specific compounds. They may contain the alkaloids, they may contain the steroids, flavonoids, antioxidants, various acids, bases, saponins, tannins, etc. These all natural material may or may not be inhibit the phase of viruses. When we say it inhibit at that time, it definitely have the pH more than that of the active material, and it may degrade the value, or it may degrade the particular compound. It means, I mean to say, in a kinetics, Ki value is more than that of the original virus. In one case, I just observed cytokine storm is considered to be one of the leading cause for the clinical deterioration of the COVID. And according to World Health Organization, there are currently no effective drug, and that we know very well. For most promising coronavirus treatments are still under the clinical trial. Therefore, the successful treatment of COVID-19 patients, especially those under the severe cases or critical cases, this cytokine storm is over. Many are going through us like preventive medicines. Some want to go for the Ayurveda. But I already said, or you know very well, that all natural products contain number of molecules, and that may target specific area. And if they are targeting specific area, specific organelles, and rupture that particular structure, or involved in binding of the process, or may function as a catalysis, then only it gives positive response to the particular patient. Otherwise, it may also have the side effects. Next one, please. This all the natural or herbal treatment or effect is depend upon the distribution of target molecules or target categories, say mild, moderate, severe, and critical. The potential therapeutic target chemically depend on the symptoms. Let us see one by one. In mild, we will categorize in two parts. So first one is a cold fluid retention suspended in lungs, and in second syndrome is a stagnant. It is a suspension form. It is a stagnant, jamming, dampness, and heat in lungs. What happened in these both cases? In the suspended form of lung, it produces the mild characteristics of the coronavirus, but it is having the fever and shows the rotten, greasy like pulses, and show tongue is in yellow, redness, yellow, pale yellow color. While as in another cases, it is having the sweating, nausea, etc. But there may be the silent features. Maybe have fever or may not be have a fever. It may be they may have fever. they may not be have headache also. But tongue is red. So here is a pale yellow and tongue is red. Then thick white or yellowish fluid or slippery pulses may be observed in case of the jamming dumbness, heating lungs syndrome. But these both characteristics or both form of syndromes can be come under the mild cases and can be treated easily. In moderate cases or moderate category, it is a depressing of lung with the dumbness of the toxins. Okay, and in the syndromes, another form, it is a cold fluid observed in the lung, cold. So it takes a lot of time to remove with the pitting pad and all. What is again difference in both? In the first cases, shortness of breathing is observed, while as in the second cases, nausea observed. Veins are floating and very soft comparatively in second case. And in first case, there is a dark red tongue, and here pale and red tongue. Again, depend upon the shortness of the breath and fatigue. This particular both can be treated. In the next, severe case, syndromes are dirty toxicity blocking the lungs. Hence, patients are panicked. They are try to get the oxygen by due to the shortness and tiredness. Their mouth is very dry. They have maybe nausea, and they may not get more frequent urination. The tongue is red, but sometimes they may form very I can say slippery pulses along with the greasy fur yellow in there. And another case syndrome in the severe form, flaring heat. Heat is observed, and though shortness of breath is there, they may have faintness, blurred vision. Then tongue may be very. They may not have no loss of the tongue, and sinking or floating may observe. And this is really need to treat or need the vaccine of virus. And it is very, you can say, from normal to moderate and moderate to severe and severe to close to the ICU because of this blockage and this external prolapse. And they require mechanical ventilation. Then their tongue is get converted to purple, and their pulses are floating. Floating is really floating their lives in the ventilator, and hence this all need to give the vaccines, and it is more you can say some require successful factor for the replication of their lives. Next one, with this background, viruses actually some viruses actually have the treatment, but regarding the coronavirus, for the successful, we have to systematically identify the host virus interaction, then protein-protein interaction, and during this interaction, what is their path, effective way towards the elucidation and mechanism action of that particular viral infection. If viral infection, because every day, yesterday and today, it's changing the characteristics and symptoms of the coronavirus. Some are saying potential drugs combination therapy can be given to the patient so that they may be come out of it, and some are saying reprisal drugs can be given to them. There are 16 reprisal drugs, reversible drugs, and that are really giving the nice you can say against the coronavirus, but still intervention intervention of scientists is needed in them. Some are using the homeopathic drugs, that is arsenic album 30S or 300S. They are actually protein markers. They are also used for the inhibition of the Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which for the oxygen species generation. Next one, please. Remdesivir, quinine, chloroquine, hydrochlorine, paracetamol. There are many drugs are available, and many are inhibitors of the millions of viruses, and they are used against the cold, cough, and fever, etc. Still, questions remain: can antibodies treat the corona disease? Till today, answer is no. Fortunately or unfortunately. If I say unfortunately, it is antibiotics do not work against viruses, and therefore it should be used as a means of prevention or treatment. Then what is the treatment if antibiotics is not useful against this virus? Still today there is no treatment is available in the market against the coronavirus. However, many symptoms can be treated and based on the condition of the patient, and as I said, distribution of the category mild, moderate, severe, and critical. Then what is the recovery time? It is, as according to the preliminary data on mean time or median time, approximately 2 weeks or 3 to 6 weeks for the patient which are in a critical condition or a severe condition required to recover. Next one. So what is the incubation period of corona disease? In the one slide I said it is depend upon the temperature, pH, activation energy, incubation period, the degradation of virus or protein can be take place. The same answer I want to give here: when the person or virus is exposed in time being or time period and display the symptoms, according to that, 1 day to 12.5 days is the incubation period. It can be prolonged up to 14 days. In rare cases, it is 21 days. Can coronavirus be transmitted sexually? Yes. In China, Shanghai Municipal Hospital analyzed the sperm of 38 men, and they observed that in the semen, SARS-CoV is positive. The study was based on small sample size actually, but more work will need to be established whether the coronavirus can be sexually transmitted. If so, this will be worrying developing because it means the disease could be transmitted human to human beyond respiratory droplet and contact. Next one. Whether coronavirus or corona found in water? Yes. There is one case, in case of Netherlands, it was found in water sample. Whether it can be treated with Ayurveda? There are confirmed cases wherein enhanced immunity to fight against the virus and was observed when the patient used Ayurvedic tablets or Ayurvedic compositions, but it still remain to need clinical trial. What is the Arogya Setu and why it is beneficial? It is an app provided by Government of India to take self-assessment test to get the fair idea about risks of infection to an individual and area surrounding the user. So really this virus is an emergency globally. Yes, this outbreak is global health emergency. Why this so? Because in January 30, raising the alarm further the March 11 when it declared the crisis. Internationally, it is alert and counter each and every country by the WHO. there are 5 different emergencies since 2005, like swine flu in 2009, polio 2014, then Ebola in 2014, Zika 2016, and Ebola again 2019 along with the corona. So it is really global emergency. Are smokers are more likely to be risk coronavirus? Yes, ECDC said smoking can make people more susceptible to serious complications from the corona infection, because to breathe, then they require potential vulnerable group for the assessment, and then it includes you can say whole samples that say patient is affected with the coronavirus and they are acute smokers, then more risk of dying elderly people, more risk of dying as compared to the elderly people. This EDC also reported that their heart activity, lung activity and lung enzyme activity, that is acetylcholine esterase, when they measure, they found that it is really converted and increases comparatively with their age, and their hypertension is also more, and hence risk factor is more and needed to treat. It was also studied by along with China University of Carolina, and they said this angiotensin converting into enzyme is not only increasing with the age but increasing with the hypertension, and hence it is necessary to avoid smoking. So is the surgical mask is safe? Because we all are using the surgical mask. Surgical masks, N95s, then cloth masks, then asbestos mask. There are a lot of masks available. Though it is having the layers, it is a control measure or a mitigation measure when owned by the individual. For the respiratory symptom, face masks are not guaranteed to protect the users from the airborne disease. So many countries are having different approaches. One is having elimination policy, while as other is having herd immunity. In elimination policy, I can give the example of New Zealand. Comprehensive and systematic response they have taken for the outbreak made more, and they control more nicely. While as if you see the Sweden, they adopted the herd policy, and it doesn't make sense of matter. Putting what is herd policy? It is nothing but the two-way, either in the vaccination or the many people come in contact with the disease and time build in immune response to get the acquiring the natural immunity. And India is accepted the social distancing and lockdown process, which is maybe or may not be, I don't know, I cannot say purposely, but I can say effectively it is eliminating the coronavirus from the other comparatively with the other countries. And strict lockdown may be the very good an idea about the against the coronavirus till we get the any vaccine or get any treatment. So these are the two different approaches by the different countries, and according to the symptoms and their targeting drugs, doctors are treating the patients. Next one, please. In conclusion, I can say COVID has brought an enormous threat to human security, in addition to the immune response and activation multiple immune cells. And this virus is having 5 major proteins, and they can assemble nicely and replicate. It includes the replicase complex, ORF1, spike, envelope, membrane, nucleus capsule, protein required to cleave its activity and cease the activity. So that particular virus, before multiplying, it should be targeted in the form human protein and protein interaction network, especially the envelope and nucleocapsid protein of coronavirus. It should be quantifies the interplay between the virus host interaction and drug targeted in the human. And these are some references. Thank you very much.